So I have an idea here. I'm willing to try something to cleanse antifreeze without actually pouring it out. The idea is here to take this a simple gasoline filter and to put it in between here like this. So I'm going to drive for a few days and then I will take it out, we'll cut it open and we'll look inside. Don't forget there is an arrow which shows you the flow direction of the filter. Yes, there is it. So it should go like that. And I need another hose to connect this here. Hope this one will fit. Nope, I need another one. So I made here this hose. Now I'm going to put this here in between. So I'm going to start the car now to check for leaks, and I'm going to drive this for a few days, and after that we'll continue. So the filter is actually filled with antifreeze now, and I don't think I'm having any leaks. So I suppose it's okay to leave it like that.
3 days later.
Well, in my case, it didn't really make any difference. I suppose my coolant is clean.